Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Mailshake for outbound property investment outreach step by step clearly. Go to the Mailshake login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. Click on the login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Mailshake dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. To create a new outreach campaign, click on the Campaigns tab. Then, select Create New Campaign to begin. Input your campaign name in the provided field. Next, choose your target recipients by either uploading a list or adding them manually. Customize your email templates by clicking on Email Templates. Make necessary adjustments to the subject line and message content. Preview your emails to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, save your template for future use. Set up your follow-up emails by selecting the Follow-ups option. Determine the timing and content for each follow-up message. Review your campaign settings to confirm everything is in order. Finally, click Launch Campaign to start your outreach. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments as needed based on the data you collect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.